If you're a Chevrolet aficionado, it doesn't get much better than owning a first-generation Corvette. That's because regardless of year, every C1 shares a connection to the car that started a now legendary brand. To this very day, 1953 to 1962 Corvettes are highly desirable collectibles that continue to be some of the most sought-after cars on the planet. And this glowing Roadster is a perfect example why. Backing fresh LS3 power with a tweaked chassis, a smooth 4L 64-speed automatic, and stunning Cascade Green on Shoreline Beige aesthetics, it's an excellent tribute to the golden age of Americana. If you're looking for a unique classic that you can drive, show off, and watch appreciate, it's the fully sorted head turner that you've been patiently waiting for. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.